Alright, what's going on YouTube? Chris here again with another video coming live and direct from my actual backyard. So as you can see behind me, there's a pretty cool umbrella from Purpleleaf. So a huge shout out and thank you for working with me to get this out here, Purpleleaf. So today we're going to go over some cool functions and features that this thing has to offer, because shade is of a premium here in Florida. It doesn't matter if it's January through or December, you're always going to need shade out here. So currently it's still winter here in November, but without the shade it still feels like summer. So shade is of the premium. I can't stress it enough. One of the biggest things I really like about this umbrella is you can effortlessly put some shade out here. So everything can pretty much be done with one hand. My wife can do it. If you're a smaller individual, you can do it as well. So let me go ahead and show you some of those key features. Now if you look at this, there's a 360 handle right here, and what that does is this is going to rotate 360 degrees all the way around. Let me go ahead and demonstrate a little bit. This will go all the way around, so it should cover a good amount of shade throughout the day. Wherever your sun's coming up and coming down from, you should be able to go ahead and track it with this 360 degree little handle. Like I said, it makes it super easy. So up here, this is going to be your handle, and this is going to close the canopy, and then this handle right here is going to be to raise and lower. So demonstrate that. Like I said, again, effortless. Locks into place with one hand. So like I said, you should be able to go ahead and tilt this thing and maneuver 360 degrees and all that to get the shade to where you want it. So they sent me this out with this water base, and this is a pretty hefty umbrella, so just a heads up. Hefty base. Pretty good design, doesn't look like cheaply made, you know. I wanted to show you guys this material. So this material is a pretty heavy duty fabric, so I don't think it's gonna like sun bleach anytime soon. I don't foresee it ripping or tearing. Very good build, the stitching looks great. Super happy with it. So they also advertise water resistant. Let's go ahead and test that theory. Runs right off, and backside is completely dry. Let's give this a shake. Pretty much shakes right off. Now if I fully close this, I just want to show you guys how good this closes up. It's nice and tight. They provide you with a strap. So let me go ahead and get this strapped over. I can't do that with one hand, and I'll show you guys how small and compact it gets. So as much of a small footprint it has folded up, that's how big this thing is in reality. Pretty crazy to think about. As far as materials go, these are all pretty heavy duty. I don't see it corroding out here during hurricanes and whatnot. I can easily take off the base and be okay. So pretty happy with this product. Now here at the top, because I actually do have the LED solar powered one, so at night I'll show you guys what it looks like at night. But right up there at the top is a solar power panel. So I'll raise this back up. So there's an LED light here, and these are all light bars. So like I said, at night I'm definitely going to come back to show you guys what I'm talking about. As promised, here is the umbrella at night. Again, there's the light bulb, and then all of these are nice LED light bars. And as you can see, plenty to take a look at night. Now to turn that on, you find your handle, and there's this little box right here. Power off, power on. And once again, this is 100% solar with the little solar panel on the top. Out of sight, out of mind during the day, and bright at night where you need it. So again, this umbrella would be perfect for hosting. It lights up pretty good dark isolated area. Today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, got some nice information out of this. So I will be linking this product down in the description box down below, as well as their links, so you guys can see what other stuff that Purpleleaf has to offer. Great build, great quality, completely stand behind this product. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave a comment down below. We'll talk about it. I'll make a more in-depth video going into detail. So I didn't do the actual unboxing and install on this detailed video, but I do have some reels showcasing how easy it is to go ahead and break up or break down and set up this product. So other than that, just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life in idle, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.